How's it going, guys? I'm Robert from Machado Visuals, and I finally upgraded my production van to fit my workflow as a cinematographer. A lot of people have been upgrading to cargo vans lately, and for good reason. In our industry, equipment takes up a lot of space, and you have to consider how you're going to transport camera, lighting, grip, and oftentimes carts. I ended up going with a 3-section spring-assisted ramp from National Fleet Products. It's integrated behind the rear doors and can swivel out in case you don't want to deploy the ramp to access the cargo. I used to have this old ramp that I'd have to set up manually, and it made a ton of noise, and on a hot summer day, throwing around a 90-pound piece of scorching hot metal doesn't really spark joy. This makes load in and load out incredibly fast. I know the struggle of stacking C-stands in a regular car. It's not fun, so being able to roll everything in on wheels makes life a million times easier. It also makes life much easier when packing gear at home, since I'm able to just roll everything to where it needs to go on the shelf. One of the obvious benefits of owning a van is the increased capacity to rent. If I were stuck with an SUV, I'd be limited to a very small amount of G&E, but with a van, I'm able to bring pretty much everything I need, which equates to more rentals I'm able to add on the invoice. It's also super handy just to have for everyday life occurrences like moving or transporting oversized items from the store and not having to worry about banging up your personal vehicle from gear. I could maybe see myself upgrading to a high roof in the future, but until then, I'm more than happy with my current setup. If you have any questions, obviously feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.